In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a low beam bulb on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located inside of the headlight. Let's get started. Pop out the two retainers and pull straight up and remove them. Remove the headlight assembly. Remove the connector for the low beam bulb. To do this, we're going to push up on these two tabs and back. And remove the connector. Those are the tabs that we're pushing up on. Twist the bulb clockwise and remove it from the assembly. Install the low beam bulb into the assembly. Push it into that lock and lock it down. Grab your connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.